Hey everyone, my name is Peter. I'm a passionate wealth builder. I use properties and stock options as my investment vehicles, and you're watching my daily trade log. I document one of my option trades every single day for the benefit of everyone. And today is my trade number 211. And before I go on to describing my today's trade, I wanted to just show you a interesting fact. And here we have a table which shows the price falls this year for many of the tech stocks. As we can see, Amazon fell 53%, PayPal fell 76%, Meta fell 71%, and the list just goes on. Roku fell 92%. So huge falls, and the Nasdaq, the QQQ fell 34%. Now, why I'm bringing this up? Because I wanted to take a look at the market collapse during the GFC and realized that the SPY fell 51%. Now currently we're sitting at 19.9%, and I was wondering if we're going to continue seeing a market correction or market collapse, and that's why I had a look at some of these stocks, and it's quite interesting to see that many of these big tech names already fell significantly more than what the overall market collapse was back in 2008 during the GFC. So let's talk about my trade of today, which was Roku. I sold a $35 put option expiring in January. And if we take a look at the chart, we can see that Roku not long ago was trading well over 250, and for an extended period of time it was trading around the $55 mark, and in the last couple of weeks the price went below 40. It's insanely low compared to where it was previously. If we take a look at the monthly chart, we can see that the $35 level that I targeted is actually quite a safe level. So I'm hoping that the price is going to remain above my $35 mark. And the volatility, so if we go back to the chart, the volatility is quite low. So that's a little bit disturbing, because if we're going to see a volatility spike, then this trade could cause some challenges. But despite the low volatility, the premium was actually quite healthy. Now, I also wanted to highlight that the next earnings is scheduled to be on the 16th of February, so it's after the January expiration. That's why I went for the January expiration rather than the February expiration. Normally, going for around the 52 days to expiration is a good target. But in this instance, because the earnings is coming up, I selected the January expiration. So we can see that the $35 put option is sitting at the 26 delta, which means it gives me a 74% probability of profit. That's quite a good number. And the 50% probability of profit is sitting at 83%. So what it means is that I collected, to be exact, I collected $1.26 premium, and in order to retain 50% of that $1.26, I have a probability of 83%. So that's quite a high probability. I like this trade, especially given the fact that the price came down from the $50 to $55 mark to below 40 in the last couple of weeks. So I don't know what's going on with Roku, but it certainly seems like a fairly safe trade. So that's my trade 211. I did also do another adjustment on my QQQ position. I rolled down my call side to 285 from 290, and that's because I just wanted to follow what the market is doing. Normally, when you have a strangle and you see the price moving up and down, then you do want to adjust your position. So in this case, I had a 290 call and I rolled it down to 285, and that is because the QQQ fell 3.78 today. So I still have a few more days before I will roll this position to February. So I've got plenty of premium in this. This is one of those trades that I will keep forever. Currently, I have 17.47 total credit in it. So this particular deal requires about $5,000 buying power. So to generate over 1,700 in about 8 months is not a bad deal. So this is one of those keep forever trades. So that concludes my trade number 211. So once again, it was a ROKU January $35 put option, and I'm hoping that the stock is going to remain above 35. So I hope you find this useful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me via tycoonitos.com. You will see the link in the description, and hit the like button and subscribe and spread the word. Thank you for watching. Have a great one.